here from the state of California, where we are forever young, but we do have a large senior population as well. And as you can tell this afternoon, we have a passion about protecting the seniors in our country. And we will not allow anyone to reduce the benefits of seniors in this country. It's that. Struggle to grow old in this country. That's why in the 1930s we created the Social Security system. So never again would seniors be living in poverty in this country. And then in 1965 we passed Medicare, so that seniors would never have to again determine that they had to pay their mortgage or go to the doctor or pay the prescription cost or cut the prescription drug in half. So we're not about to now allow that to be reduced. I want to tell you one little story. I've had 2 job hunters boot camps in my district in the last few months. One had 900 attendees. The last one, just last week, had 500. And I always would ask the question, how many of you are 30, in your 40s, in your 50s? And the vast majority of them were in their 50s, and for the first time were out of work. But then I asked, how many of you are in your 60s? A time when you should be retiring, correct? Well, there were many hands that went up. I want to tell you about one story. Her name is Diane. In 2008, she couldn't pay her rent. She was kicked out of her apartment and ended up living in a shelter. Now, this is a woman who worked for a publishing company, a hospital, and a CPA firm during her career. She had a fine career. But the advent of all of the financial meltdown, the recession, all the things that have happened in this country, placed her in the most untenable position. She was living in a shelter because she couldn't afford anything else. She said now that she's working for a social service agency in San Mateo County. She's 62 years of age. She thought she would be retired today. She is not retired. And her big treat is to once in a while splurge and buy a cup of coffee. Aww. So, we're going to protect her, and we're going to protect you, and we're going to protect every senior in this country to make sure that we never go back to the days when seniors were in poverty or seniors didn't have